awesome power screwdriver. Check this out with a 45-degree extension on it. Watch with this. This is so cool. Look at this. Bam. Drives it right in. Check it out. We're doing a total unboxing and a review. We're going to show you how to use this tool, soup to nuts. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video. Also, gang, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel quite a bit, and I do appreciate it as always. Let's get going. Hey gang, thanks for tuning in to your review channel, and what I have for you here is a cordless screwdriver. Yes, really kind of cool. I got this sent to me by Beyoung company, and it is a cordless electric and also a manual screwdriver. Okay, so it's a 3.6 volt. It has an LED light built in, rechargeable battery, of course. Comes with 40 bits, one flexible drill bit, one extension holder, the whole kit here. So let's take a look at the whole kit here, see what's in the box. So it's kind of cool. These companies reach out to me, and I like to review them and see what they have to offer, and just do a quick test and an unboxing just to show you what is involved. So it comes with a manual, and manual is pretty basic, gives you an idea about the actual tool itself. I don't think you really need that. Okay, so let's get to the tool itself. Okay, so here's the actual screwdriver itself. It was in this little bag. That bag out of the way. So here's the screwdriver itself, and you can see here. So first impression, nice sturdy construction. I like the handle on this. I really do. Okay, the torque's supposed to be really, really good on this as far as the quality of torque. The load speed is 500 RPMs, which is good. It's got a low gear ratio, so it's really pretty powerful. And you can hear that in the background, and you know, I've done a couple tests with this, and we'll take a look at this real quick. It's got a little LED light on here, so you can see, so either forward or reverse. It does activate the light. That's kind of cool. So take a look at that. Comes with the mini screwdriver. It comes with the mini screwdriver. That's what it comes with. Comes with a USB to USB-C charger, which is kind of cool. I like that. Comes with that. Also comes with some. I like this. This is like a little pilot hole. So if you know the drill, so if you want to make a pilot hole, that's kind of cool. It's a little drill in here. So I like that. Actually, a very interesting addition to that. I do like that. Comes with a bunch of bits, a lot of bits actually. So let's just take a look at each set of these bits. So let's take a look here. So we have a bunch of hex bits here, and every one of these bits also are magnetic. Really kind of important. So I love that. So we have hex, we have straight, and some more hex, and then we have your Phillips. Things like that. So here we go. So this is the 3 different sets that you have included in the kit. Everything's all magnetic. Everything's well organized and easily laid out. You can see everything really clearly, and that's really important. Also, kind of cool, it's an extension bit and a driver extension. So how this works basically is you put this on. It's got a 1/4-inch adapter on the back of it as well, so it's a 1/4-inch driver. As you can see here, now I'll get a little screw here. And we'll do a little test of a little screw. We're going to do a test with that as well. Got that screw, and we also have just a drywall screw. We're just going to dry in some piece of wood and just to see how the torque looks and that. Okay. So that's how that works. So basically, what you do, and this has a locking mechanism, so this pulls up and down. So you can see here. So you basically pull it up with your hand, slide it in, and it locks right in there. And then add a tool. All you have to do is basically take out your bit here and snap it in, and there you go. And there is your forward and reverse with the light. It's kind of cool, and it won't come out unless you remove it. So remove, just pull up this little lever here and releases it really super easy. Everything's all magnetic. I like it. So it's really good. It's got a lot of good features on it. Take a look at that. And the piece de resistance is this really cool 45-degree angle drive attachment. So it's got a drivetrain basically inside. You can see here this. I'm turning this. This is really super cool. Check this out. So I'll snap it in here. Okay. Now watch this. When I turn the power on, so say you got a 45-degree angle you're working on, right? Check this out. See that? So that kind of drives this whole mechanism here, which is really, really important. So if you're getting into like a tight spot somewhere under cabinetry, really kind of cool. So I love that. So this is really super simple. There's a ton of stuff here included. You get a lot of bits. You get a lot of accessories. Comes with a little case if you want to keep it in that case if you want to. Nice, powerful. The transmission torque seems pretty good on this as well. Let's just take a look at that. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't do heavy duty work with this, but for small things, small electronics, taking apart small items, really super simple. Here's a bunch of little screws in here. Say if you want to take this apart, you just basically pop on your adapter, take out your Phillips screwdriver, see if this one fits, and it does. And that's pretty much simple job like that. It's got a lot of good torque on this. It really does. Look at that. Pops that right out in 2 seconds. You want to do this one here? Pops that right out in 2 seconds. You want to put them back in. Use your thumb. Drive them back in. And also drive this one back in. So good torque on this. Actually, really nice. Nice quality. I do like it. Again, I like the construction. I like the grip on it. It's got a good grip on it. It has a USB charger on it. I'll show you that on top here. A little protection here. A little water protection. Just going to get that open. You can see here. And that USB-C pops it right in here. And this, and you just plug this into any wall charger and computer, whatever. Basically charges it up. A few hours and you're good to go. Gives you green light, red light when it's charging, green light when it's charged. So it has feedback, so you know that. Super important. So let's just do a quick test on this and just see how it drives some of the screws into the wood. Also, they give you the small screwdriver. So I really think this will really change the battery. This battery is actually changeable. Check this out. This little screwdriver they give you, I think personally, it's to change this there's a little battery in here. So watch this. Super easy to change. This comes out with just 2 little screws. Okay, watch this. It comes off the head, right? And they're really smart, really smart. You can actually change the battery. You can probably get these replacement batteries, so if this does die out, or if you need extra batteries, really cool to change. Again, 2000 milliamps, 3.7 volts. There's the battery right here. Super simple to change. Pops in, pops out, right out. This comes in easy. This connects, this screws in very easily. It's not scary at all. Definitely easy to do. So don't forget to keep that in mind as well. So great, simple design. So I think this screwdriver is really just to remove these batteries and change them when it dies. Don't throw out the screwdriver. Change the battery. Really important tip. Hope you like that. No one else really showed that, so I really wanted to just point this out. And like I said, this comes with 33 bits. That's a lot of bits. It really is. So, so really simple. Makes a pallet hole. Look at that. Real easy. That actually works really well. So you can see that. So I drilled a couple of pallet holes, so you can see that. Okay, so let's get down a little lower here so you can see better. And so we're going to take this off, pop this off. Again, easy. Just pick up your fingers, pop it in, pop it out. Super simple. And let's move this up so you can see a little better. And now we're going to drill in just a couple of screws and just see how it works. So we're going to first use the 1/4" hex on it. Okay, we already made a pallet hole, and this is a sheet metal screw, so it might be a little bit tougher to do, but let's just see how it drives it in. Let's just see what we have. No problem. Well, that actually drew that in pretty good, I have to say. Look at that. That's excellent. That's really good. And let's pull it back out. Nice. Very nice, actually. Not bad. I like that. And it's got really coarse threads on this because it's really for sheet metal. So actually it was a hard job to drill it into wood, because usually you get a little bit finer for wood. You can see the fineness in this here. So the finer the screws are, sometimes the easier that does power into some materials. Okay, so that one worked really good. So you saw that. Super simple, right? So that's easy. Take that off if you don't, but no, we're gonna leave that on because we're gonna use that bit. So let's see. So we're gonna match up a good bit for our, that's a good one, for our sheet metals. This is a sheetrock screw. We're going to put into the wood, and we're going to see how it drives it in. I don't want to go all the way through to my workbench, just to see how it drives it in. See what we got. Okay, it's struggling with that a little bit. Again, this is a heavy-duty job, a big job to do. So I'm doing it manually now, and it does work. Actually, the bit is the wrong side. Let me get a little bigger bit here on this. I don't want to strip out the bit, because if you don't use the proper bit, you strip them out. So let's just see how it works manually. So manually, actually works really well. So the torque really tightens up really nice. So you can use this manually or powered, and that's kind of cool. So a lot of them you can't do both. This one you can do both. So I do like that. Also, you can see with this 45-degree driver, it takes that power and delivers it right to the screw. Unbelievable. Look at that. It just transfers that power right to the screw. Super powerful. I love it. Let's continue the review. Hope you're enjoying. Let's back it out. Okay, so it really did a nice job. Honestly, it's not really for heavy duty work like that, but I wanted to just push it to its max. And it was a little tough with this piece of wood, a big screw. But for small jobs, small things, super awesome. And it takes the punishment, no problem. I like the quality. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. There's no question about it. With all the accessories, this 45-degree extension, super cool. Extension, a little longer Phillips. Have that. Comes with a little drill. I like that. Screwdriver. All the accessories. Everything is really kind of cool. all in all, definitely a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up your item. It is an affiliate link, just so you know. It does help me out. I do get a small commission if you do purchase this item, and it does help out my channel. I do appreciate that. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me quite a bit. I do appreciate that as well. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is ready. I do all kinds of reviews, all kinds of cool stuff. So that's what I do here. If you have any other questions or any other comments that you have, please leave down below. It does help me as well. Hit the like button. That helps me as well. And it keeps helping me so I can keep bringing these really cool and interesting items to you guys. All right, that's it for this one. I'm going to wrap this one up. Definitely like this. I'm definitely going to keep this one and put this in my tool chest. I love it. Comes with all the bits, comes with everything you need, and I do like that. All right, guys, till the next one, and I'll see you at the next review.